This video is to show you how to paint hair. Like skin, hair is not just one colour. You'll need to mix up a couple of different colours, a lighter colour and a darker colour. If your hair is dark brown or black, then those will be your starting colours. So if your hair is dark brown, start with some brown. And then add in the black. Notice you add the darker colour to the lighter colour. It's easier that way. Once you're happy with your colour, and again you test it on your testing paper, you can paint a basic block. And then allow that to dry. If your hair is really very, very black, you can go straight with the black. This is a little bit dark, to be honest. I'm not very happy with that. It'll be harder to show the highlights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that again. I'm just going to add a bit more water to my black over here and end up with something a bit more grey. Hair has light parts and dark parts. The parts that are underneath by your neck tend to be darker. Parts on top where that light is striking it tend to be darker. If your hair is very, very black, how do you show it to be even darker? Add blue. Blue makes dark hair or black hair very, very black. If your hair is spiky or wavy, you want to try and show that. So if you've got wavy hair, use wavy lines. You will need to use a small brush to show those waves. If your hair is quite spiky, then you want to show the texture. Here you will need patience because you'll need to apply some and then wait for it to dry. When it's dry, you will add the next ones. Mix up again several different colors. A really dark one and a really light one and maybe even a brown. That way you will show the texture and you won't look like you're wearing a helmet. The other thing that's important is to paint the hair over the top of your face. Always paint the skin first and then the hair on top, because the hair is on top. Take your time. Remember, if you don't take your time, say I paint something here, and then I want to paint maybe a lighter one. If I don't wait for it to dry, it's just going to bleed together and going to become a big mush. This is not what you want. So take your time.